I just need you to get real loose. Get comfortable. Grab your loved ones, or grab your love partner. And if you're by yourself, no worries. Just follow after me. Gonna do the two-step, then cowboy boogie. Grab a sweetheart and spin out with them. Do the hold down and get into it. Take it to the left now and dip with it. Don't throw down, take a sip with it. And lean back, put your hips in it. Let's have some fun. To the left now. To the right. Now take your left hand and put it on your side. Gon' roll your shoulders. Do the slip and slide. This next part's my favorite part, cause it's time to shine. Gonna do the two-step, then cowboy boogie. Grab a sweetheart and spin out with them. Do the hold down and get into it. Take it to the left now and dip with it. Don't throw down, take a sip with it. And lean back, put your hips in it. It's simple, you can do it. Slide to the left, slide to the right. Now cool down, have a good time. Slide to the left, slide to the right. Do the butterfly, have a good time. Round, round, round and round you go. It's time to show out right now and take to the floor. Gonna do the two-step, then cowboy boogie. Grab a sweetheart and spin out with them. Do the hold down and get into it. Take it to the left now and dip with it. Don't throw down, take a sip with it. And lean back, put your hips in it. Take it down now, take it down now. Take it down now, take it down now. Bring it up now, bring it up now. Bring it up now, bring it up now. Take it down and crisscross. Bring it up now, crisscross. Do whatever you like right here. Just have fun. Gonna do the two-step, then cowboy boogie. Grab a sweetheart and spin out with them. Do the hold down and get into it. Take it to the left now and dip with it. Don't throw down, take a sip with it. And lean back, put your hips in it. That was not so bad. That was not so bad, was it? That was not so bad. That was not so bad, was it? That was not so bad. That was not so bad, was it? That was not so bad. That was not so bad, was it? Gonna do the two-step, then cowboy boogie. Grab a sweetheart and spin out with them. Do the hold down and get into it. Take it to the left now and dip with it. Don't throw down, take a sip with it. And lean back, put your hips in it.
To my special babies that made me a mom, I love you both very much. Happy birthday. I hope today is a very special day for you both. I love you.
Happy birthday to two of the most amazing kids I've ever known, Tristan and Tessa Landris. I hope you guys have enjoyed these last 9 years as much as I have, and I look forward to many, many more adventures with you guys in the years to come. Love you so much.
Happy birthday, sweet peas. I love y'all more than anything. I hope you're having a great time tonight.
Hello, Tristan and Tessa. Happy birthday. Mamita is lucky to have you as my grandbabies. You're a blessing in my life. Happy birthday, and I love you forever.
Happy birthday, Tessa and Tristan. We love you.
Happy birthday. We love you so much.
Tell them happy birthday, Bubba. You want to
tell
them happy
birthday?
Birthday, Tristan and Tessa.
Happy birthday.
We hope you have a great birthday on Wednesday, and we will see you Friday for your birthday party. We love you both.
We can't believe you're 9 years old. We love you. Mwah.
Love y'all. Bye.
Bye.
Sorry guys, too bad we can't come to your party. I bet it's going to be super fun, and happy birthday to both of you.
Happy birthday, Tristan and Tessa. Love y'all. See you Friday. Gamer vs. Gamer, video game birthday party service.
And we look forward to treating your child like the most important kid in the world on their